Hello my guys and welcome to another episode. On this episode I have a little product review. I'm going to review these floor mats for my 2021 RAV4 compatible for any 2019 to 2021 Toyota RAV4. These floor mats are from the company Medesasi and you can find these on Amazon. And by seeing the floor mats I can tell that it's just the same as the RAV4 floor mats. I have here some stock RAV4 floor mats, and those are the ones that they came on my truck, the WaterTech package. But now we have these ones, we're gonna put them to the test. The only problem with these ones, I get them from a friend of mine. It was the cleaning. When he cleans this floor mat, the rubber, it was very sticky, as you can see. So he didn't like Toyota floor mats, and you can tell when he was cleaning the floor mat, this type of rubber is kind of sticky, so he didn't like them. That's the thing that we're gonna check on these ones. Let's see how the material is. I think it's a little bit more hard than the rubber mats from Toyota. These ones feel more sticky. Every time that he tried to clean them with a microfiber towel, it left a lot of stuff behind. Could be the towel or could be the floor mat. We're gonna find out in a minute. By checking the back of the original Toyota and checking these new ones, the grip is gonna be there, so it's gonna have good grip. It's not gonna move around on your carpet. These floor mats are gonna be really easy to clean. They're not gonna have odor, they're not gonna smell, they're gonna be 100% safe for your whole family. And it's gonna be all weather, guard heavy duty floor mats. The good thing is that it's just exactly like the OEMs, and I'm gonna get my boy to put them on the RAV4 and then we're gonna put them to the test. One thing that I noticed on these floor mats, they're super soft. These ones, they're a little bit harder, but what I can see is that if you scratch them, you're not gonna see the scratches on them. The problem with my WaterTech right now is that I have them really scratched up, as you can see there. Even when I clean them and I put some cream just to remove the scratches or to cover it up, you still can see them. And that's the problem with these floor mats. I can tell that these ones, you're not gonna see the scratches a lot like on these ones. These ones, they're like 6 months old, but they look really bad. And that's the only thing that I don't like about this material. You can see scratches really easy. Inside the truck, this one is just like the OEM. The only problem with these ones and the OEM ones is that part right there, and that you can't do anything about it to go around. They're gonna get dirty on that section anyways, but it looks just like the OEM, and I think they look good. This is on the passenger side. It's looking good. It covers everything all the way to the top, which I like that, and everywhere around you're gonna have protection, so all the door is not gonna go inside. And for the one on the rear, plenty of protection. It goes all the way to almost the top in here and all the way to the back. Same in the middle, you have plenty of protection in the middle, and on the back you have plenty of protection. All the dirt and water, grime, if you live on the places there is snow a lot, water and snow is gonna stay in the floor mat, not on your carpet. And you guys know that these Toyota carpets, they're really hard to clean. And let's put this floor mat to the test. Okay. Okay. It's still a little bit dirty, but it's not bad. That was easy and fast. Now a microfiber towel to see how slippery it's gonna be. Hopefully it's not sticky like the OEM. No fibers from the microfiber towel. They look really good, and that's what we're looking for, something that is really easy to clean. Well guys, in conclusion, I think these ones, they're a lot better than OEM, and they're a lot better than WaterTech. WaterTech is just, the rubber is too hard. You will see a lot of scratches on them, and those, I think, is the material is really sticky. You can see a lot of fibers on it when you clean them. And when you clean these ones, you don't see anything, no scratches, easy to clean, no fibers on it. Well guys, I'll leave you with that. I hope you like this little episode. I'm gonna leave the link in the description for this floor mat. If you have any questions, please comment down below. I'm gonna be happy to help. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Peace.